So a lot of us are told, oh, you just need to ask for the referral. Yeah, you just need to go to someone who's well connected and ask for the introduction. It doesn't work. In fact, it's really embarrassing. You've been a member of Progress to Partner. I think you've been on a bit of my stuff. If I said to you, this stuff is good. I'm good. Will you introduce me to other partners in your firm? I'm assuming that you're now thinking, oh no, she's picked on me. This is quite embarrassing. Probably not. Absolutely embarrassed. And I'm mortified. And this is what normally happens. People don't like being put on the spot like that. We actually, when we're doing a referral, it's because there's an opportunity. We've seen something and our brain wants to be helpful. And we like helping people because we're social animals. We like helping people, but we've got to have an opportunity. Otherwise, your brain just goes, whoa, brain freeze. So I want to put you in the place that you've got an opportunity. That place is somebody rings you up and says, can you recommend a plumber? And I imagine all of you, what is going on in your mind is, oh, which plumbers do I know? And interestingly, the plumbers that you're thinking about are the ones that are visible. So the first thing you've got to remember, if you're going to get the referral, you've got to be visible. Your profile's got to be high. You've got to be known for what you do. But I bet some of you are now thinking, but why does your friend need a plumber? What's going on? And here in the UK might be slightly different where I don't know whether you're in the UK. Plumbers do different things here. We've got plumbers that are the right people to book to do a bathroom, to put a new bathroom in. We've got plumbers who are the right people to go and put a boiler in. I imagine you have plumbers that are great to sort out the air conditioning system. We don't have many of those plumbers here in the UK. We just don't. And we have the sort of plumbers as well that will come out because you've got a tap that is spouting water, and is an emergency. And they're a different kind of plumber. And you don't want to get the wrong type to do the job. And that is called credibility. Because when people want to recommend you, their reputation is on the line. So they want to recommend the right person, the right fit. So this is where that brand of yours comes in, where if they're going to break the established referral relationship, you've got to be seen to have a stronger brand. So your technical specialism or your bag or the thing that you're known for or where you focus on has got to be up front in their mind. And so many of us hide our specialism. We talk about, oh, I can do this, I can do that, I can pick up a bit of everything, don't we, in our marketing, rather than honing down.